the second day of our Bali tour. So we're planning to go and see a waterfall today.
Two waterfalls.
Two waterfalls. Yes, we are going to see two waterfalls today. And after that we're coming back to the hotel for the breakfast. And after the breakfast we are planning to go to Goa Culture and the Monkey Forest and Sukhavati Market and a lot of other places. So early morning, let's go and see those two waterfalls. Now we are at the waterfall entrance and we have to take tickets. It's Indonesian rupees 15,000 per person, and we have to stop our bikes from the front, and then we have to walk down. This is we have to walk down a lot of steps down to the waterfall, but let's see. But since we came on 6:30 in the morning, there are not much crowded and the shops are not open yet.
You can hear the waterfall sound falling. I hope you will hear it.
We just take a look from the upside. Okay, it is really great. See, the waterfall is here. There are a lot of steps to go down to the waterfall. We have to be careful and take them. To our hotel, like 10 minutes away from the hotel. In the other side we have Monkey Forest, and this is in the separate side. And to go to this temple, you need to wear a sarong. You have to buy a sarong. There are a lot of people selling sarongs, but they are very expensive, and they will ask you a huge amount for the sarong. Please bargain and get your sarong for the cheap amount. We also spend a little bit higher for our sarongs, but we can keep it for the other temples as well, and as a souvenir for the Bali tour. So let's go in. Yay! This is the ticket for Goa Culture. And now I'm entering. Actually, we got tricked, right? We bought these sarongs, but then we got to know that there are free sarongs. When the place you are entering, they give you a free sarong to wear inside the temple, and have to return it back and coming back. Tibumana Waterfall. This is a bit far away from the place where we are staying. 20 minutes from Ubud to Bogaja to this place. But it seems very calm and
terima kasih.
Sri Lanka is near India.
India.
very customary.
I think you're from India.
Yes, we look like Indian.
Yeah.
Some people are.
Okay.
Terrace, where we came all the way from what is the waterfall?
Oh yeah.
The waterfall to here. It was 1 hour ride, and it was a very hard ride. You had to climb up to a very top of the hill. So after a tired ride, we came to Sidemen, and it looks fabulous. And now we are having a lunch at the viewing point, and we're planning to see Sidemen rice terrace for a while and go back to Besakih stand. That's enough. Now we are in Sidemen rice terrace. You can see a nice paddy field all around.
Ya, ikat tu ya. Wait. Besakih
temple, and here you have to your school over there. You have to become a pathway and a ticket for 49.50. Yeah, and then include a salon and transportation and accompanied by local guide. Yes, everything is included. Sarong, and they're giving you a sarong.
And you giving a local guide as well.
So from here,
So he's our guide.
in the front of temple, so because a long way walk from here, so more than 1 kilometer.
Oh, okay.
You get free facilities of motorbike.
Oh, okay.
So, but only one way. When you go, so later you're going down, you have to run. You have to walk.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
You mean,
Only one way. We have to pass way and
only
come
one
way back.
Yes.
yeah.
We have more than 55 temple complex run together. Not only a single temple, I mean. So we have more than 55.
Here.
Yes.
Oh.
Also, so visitor cannot go alone. So because so if you go alone, you don't know where part you can load, where not, because so we have more than 55 temple complex. So I mean many complex. This is
okay.
the only place in Bali.
Okay.
The oldest temple in Bali, but not still original.
They remade it like
Yes,
yeah, okay.
that's 100 years old.
This is the oldest temple.
Yes, this is the oldest temple in Bali. So the first temple. So this is
So Bali, they had a king.
yes, before president.
Before president, there was a king inside.
So this is the Bali have a temple in my house. Also, we have a small temple. So every day, so we pray 3 times in my small temple in my house. And then in every full moon, every 6 months, so we are going there in the central of the family. We are get holy water from the leader like this. My hand like, so we are drink holy water 3 times. That's symbol for clean our mind and clean our body. And then the finish get holy water. The leader give holy rice. We are put here and then little bit eat. That's symbol for prosperity. And then the finish get everything there like that. We stand up together and then the offering will not leave there. The offering we take back again and then the offering we eat.